every power, every officer, issuing of notice, amendment in the writ petition, everything is under 226.
Not
Everything is under 226.
In a proceedings under 226.
In 227, there are judgments that 226 is exercised.
Show us one judgment that every
At the
power
moment, my
exercised
lord,
by a
have
High
put
Court
me a
judge is
query.
under 226.
My lord, have put the error pe 2 minute bata.
Mr. Lalwani,
To correct the
your
error.
point. Please don't.
When
Mr.
my lord say
Lalwani,
that
on the
plenary
very-
didn't correct the error,
Mr.
let me just show the
Lalwani,
error.
on the last day of the court, please don't spend time on matters which you know are not correct legally.
My lord, according to me,
Either you are making a proposition, show us the judgment. Show us the judgment that every order passed under 227 is an order under 226. That's your argument. Show us the judgment.
though a very short point is involved, an application was preferred before the trial court.
There's an objection raised with regard to maintainability.
My lord, that I had argued earlier, today also I'll submit to my lords. My lord, the writ petition was filed under Article 227 and review was filed. Review has been decided. The powers exercised for deciding review are under Article 226. I'll cite
Review is never under 226.
my lord, I'll cite 4 judgments on that
226.
point. I'll give law on that point.
Review is order 47.
No, my lord, that isn't that. A writ court is a complete code in itself to Article 226. And the writ court sitting in 227 has to exercise only under 226. Principles can be borrowed from 47 CPC. But jurisdiction will be only under 226.
Was the review allowed?
It was dismissed. Therefore, I am before this court.
There is no appeal against the review order.
Malam, just let me permit me to cite few law.
The appeal lies against the
Yes,
review
yes.
order.
No, I am not on the point of appeal.
We are on the maintainability of a
Perfectly
court
correct.
appeal.
First, my lord will have to appreciate my submission that it is a power exercised in Article 226. If it has been power has been exercised in 226, then an appeal would lie under the Uch Nyayalaya Concrete Adhiniyam.
Show us from your application you filed a 226 petition.
My lord, I may have quoted a wrong provision.
Did you file
My lord, yes,
Mr.
it is mentioned because at that time
Mr.
it was
Lalwani.
mandatory as per the.
Mr. Lalwani,
My lord,
your petition for review
my lord.
was not a 226 petition.
It may be I'm quoting. I might have quoted any provision.
We are not on quoting. It was not a 226 petition.
My
Please
lord.
come to your application.
I do appreciate it's written in chapter 30, read with order 47. That's correct. I may even have said 151 CPC, but that 151 would also mean.
Shows that power of review under 227 review is exercised under
My lord,
226. Shows that judgment.
yes, my lord. 1963, I have uploaded it, my lord. 1988, 2019, I'll give 3 judgments on that point, my lord.
Show us the best
My lord,
you
my
have.
lord, 260, my lord, reference में number 1. May kindly come down to it, my lord.
72 Supreme Court.
63 Supreme Court, 72 is on 11-12.
Oh, tell us which judgment.
My lord,
Serial number
1963, 1909.
What page in the, or what serial number?
Number 1.
Number 5.
1.
63.
Yes, my lord.
All right.
Para number 8. The other condemned, Mr. Gopal Singh, pertains to the second order of Khoslaje, which is in effect reviews his prior order. Learned Counsel contends that Article 220 of the Constitution does not confer.
Para number?
8, my lord, 8.
We would like to point out. That's how the paragraph begins.
No, the other contention. The other contention.
That's not para 8.
In my AIR, it is 8. It's the last paragraph. This is the last.
Para 10.
Para 10 of SCC.
SEC. It is the last paragraph. The other contention of Mr. Gopal Singh pertains to the second order of Khoslaje, which in effect reviews his prior order. Learned Counsel contends that Article 220 of the Constitution does not confer any power on the High Court.
Mr. Lalwani, this is not the point here.
I'm just coming. Let 2 more judgments.
Don't cite a judgment which is not applicable.
It would be applicable. Let me just come down to other judgment also. They will clarify
Come to
this
your
further.
best judgment.
Pardon?
Come to your best judgment that a
That takes care of this judgment also. Therefore, I am reading it.
This is not applicable.
Let me read 2 lines.
This is power of a writ court under exercising power
Yes.
under 226 to review its orders.
Yes.
Yours is a 227 petition.
Petition was under 227, power exercise is under 226 for review. Let me now put it in different
There is
words.
that judgment that if a petition is filed under 227, the power will be exercised under 226.
Yes.
Where is that judgment?
Shows that judgment. That every review application in the High Court is under 226. Shows that judgment.
That is not here available with me.
Please show us that judgment.
Every power, every affixer, issuing of notice, amendment in the writ petition, everything is under 226.
Not in a-
Everything is under 226.
In a proceedings under 226.
In 227, there are judgments that 226 is exercised.
Show us one judgment that every
At the
power
moment, my
exercised
lords
by a
have
High
put
Court
me a
judge is
query.
under 226.
My lords have put me a query, but to this query, I'll put another judgment that may satisfy my lords. 2019, I have put it. Little thing.
2019, which is that serial
My
number.
lord.
That's number 9.
Greater
Yes,
2019 volume 3.
Greater Mumbai case.
Pratibha Industries.
Yeah.
Municipal Corporation, Greater Mumbai.
Yes, Pratibha
Well,
Industries.
I'll just take my lords to para number 13 of AIS. To similar effect is our judgment in Sandeep Singh. Here they quote 9 judges bench judgment also, my lord. I'll come to it. This was the same 63 which I was citing. Sandeep Singh of Punjab, where in this court has stated as under, it is sufficient to say that there is nothing in prudence of the constitution to preclude a high court from exercising the power of review, which inheres in every court of jurisdiction
Mr.
to
Lalwani,
prevent miscarriage of
Please
justice.
tell us one thing. When a first appeal is filed in the High Court, does the High Court exercise powers under CPC or 226?
Under CPC, 96 में CPC आएगा sir.
What, you filed a 227 petition?
Yes, my lord.
Powers exercised are under 227.
My lord, within the ambit of 226, 227 cannot be without 226. I would say that. 227 has to be with 226.
Powers exercised under 226 are completely distinct from powers exercised under 227.
My lord,
Specifically
I
held
don't say that, but
Again, this
227,
judgment, Mr. Lalwani, you are citing us judgments to show that a writ court has the inherent power to correct its order.
yes, and 9
Under
got
226. A writ court exercising power under 226 has inherent power to correct its order.
My lord, as I said it again, I repeat, my lord, with the course of repetition, that every order in a petition 227 for amendment, for issue of notice,
Shows that-
for service, will be in a 226.
This shows that the law, that every order passed under 227 is an order under 226, shows that law.
I can give it to my lord, but
That is what
let
the
me tomorrow. Let it tomorrow morning.
No, tomorrow. Petition is listed for that purpose. Shows that. You mentioned it twice. Take it up. We've taken it up. Now shows that 227. Every order under 227.
I would
is power
again
under
repeat,
226.
my lord, that 226 is a code complete in itself, and only principles are derived from CPC. Only principles are taken from
Lalwani,
there.
yours was a 227 petition. You have
True.
to show us.
True.
You have to show us, as you contend, that every order passed under 227 is an order under 226. Contrary to the full bench of this court, contrary to the Supreme Court of the.
My lord, I am not challenging the order of the MP of the 227 passed in
You are-
227.
no.
I am only challenging the order passed on review application.
Review is also in exercise of power under 227.
My lord, with due respect, I
Or
would say, my
47 Rule
lord,
one.
with due respect, I will say that it will, let me just read few lines of this
Don't
judgment
read
again.
this judgment, not
Few more
everything.
lines. The High Court's power in that regard is plenary, extensive plenary.
See, how does Mr.
In
Lalwani,
Naresh so and so,
please read the first line of this paragraph.
the High Court as court of record, as emissaries in article.
One second. First, you are reading para 8 in para 12, sub para 8. It is sufficient to say the preceding paragraph.
This is borrowed from 63 judgment.
Please read this.
Yes, it is sufficient to say that there is nothing in Article 26 of the
2 to
Constitution
6.
to preclude a High
2
Court.
to 6. Yours is 2 to 7.
Again, my lord, my review was under 226. But 227 to khatam ho gaya.
That's your argument? We'll already take down. We'll dismiss the petition.
May I-
on
may I
we are
just-
dismissing the petition on maintainability. We can't spend more time on this. Take
Ma-
down.
may I-
Subject.
My lord, to correct the error पे 2 मिनट बता दो.
Mr. Lalwani,
To correct
your
the
point-
error.
Please don't.
When
Mr.
my lord say
Lalwani,
that
on the
plenary
very-
didn't correct the error,
Mr.
let me just show the
Lalwani,
error.
on the last day of the court, please don't spend time on matters which you know are not correct legally.
My lord, according to me,
Either you are making a proposition, show us the judgment. Show us the judgment that every order passed under 227 is an order under 226. That's your argument. Show us the judgment.
my lord, me decided, but I'll give the judgment tomorrow. Me decided, apart from this case. Apart from
There is
that,
a request-
that
request for
226 is a
adjournment
court,
is made on
complete
behalf
court
of the-
in itself. It's a complete court in itself.
2 to 6.
It's a complete court in itself.
Mr. Lalwani, you're all right. Your petition was under what provision?
227.
Then 2 to 6 is a full court. Does not mean it will be a 2 to 6, 2 to 7 will be a
My
full court.
lord, 227 cannot be without 226.
Show us that law.
I said, my lord, we proceed to decide. Apart from this case, I'll give the judgment.
Mr. Lalwani, you want us to dismiss your petition today and you will then tomorrow show us general
No,
law.
no, not for this case. My lords are putting a query, I will satisfy my lords.
You show us that answer. You are making a proposition of law, two propositions you've made. Every proceeding under 227 is a proceeding under 226.
It cannot be without 226, I said.
Okay, all right, cannot be without 226. Show us the law.
Yes, ma'am.